That was hard. And I gotta admit, ...1998, I was building 25 houses in San Jose, California, and it rained 152 days in a row. Not downpours every day. Sometimes it would just sprinkle, but man, did it mess up our construction schedule. So here I am in Reno, building our project. You can check it out at renogoodlife.com. We have 40 houses underway, and we're fouled up with snow. There won't be much production here happen, although there is 2 different tradesmen on the job site today. But if it were sunny, this place would be packed with different tradesmen. So we're having to deal with a little bit of snow, but it'll melt in a few days and we'll be back on track. I've got some laborers that are sweeping out the houses and cleaning up trash. It's taking about 45 minutes per house. I said, why does it take you so long? They said, it can't be done sooner or faster. I said, oh, sure it can. They said, no, it can't. I said, yeah, it can. They said, well, bet you $20. So I'm in here cleaning this house. I let them pick the house for me. And I'm seeing if I can knock this house out quickly and see if I win the $20. I won't take their $20, but I'll take the bragging rights for damn sure. So let's see. Let's go. Okay, that was hard. And I gotta admit, I'm doing one house in a sprint. Whew. They're having to do 10 in a marathon. But finding an efficient way to do it is smart. I haven't found it yet. And although I am going to acquiesce and tell them, okay, it's harder than it looks, or it takes longer than it would seem, it's not gonna stop me from talking. So that will continue. As it should. I just have the garage to do. They're gonna come over here and start gloating in a minute. I'm gonna put my Lady Gaga back on. Yes, Lady Gaga. Oh, they're Bruno Mars instead. I got a condo in Manhattan. Hold on.
You're almost done.
All right, talk some.
Okay, you're almost done. You got like 30 minutes, 35 minutes, and you're quarter way done. See this right here? I want this over here. See this? This is a puddle there. You can't have ice on the floor in the morning.
I have brushed that like 3 times.
Okay, well.
I'm not done.
30 minutes. We got.
You don't do a job 80%.
Every room,
job 100%.
Every room here has a puddle in it. That's going to build up the ice. It's going to cost you more money, okay? Because the ice is going to buy ice melt. Then we got another problem. We got ice not taking the ground. That's going to take another 3 hours.
Blah, 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 blah,
It's gonna take another hour to clean up the house. I know it's gonna take an hour to clean up ice.
Okay, I need another 5 minutes.
5 minutes, my ass.
5 minutes.
This is dirt.
I did a bunch.
45 minutes. Hold it.